Hi kids, hope you're fine. In this video, we will draw a beautiful hut by using some simple shapes, and we will color with yellow color, white color, brown, blue, green and red color and orange. Here are some glitters for decoration: blue, black, orange, red, white, green and golden. Let's start. So we are starting with some basic shapes: square, triangle, rectangle, another small square, circle, rectangle, oval, small rectangle with small oval. So house is ready. Wow, looking nice. Yellow color. So we are coloring sun with yellow color. Red color. Coloring the roof with red color. Blue. The wall of the house are blue. Wow, nice. Here is orange color. Orange for the door. The door is looking pretty. Green color. You notice plants are green. Black. Uh-oh. We are coloring the stems with black color. Wonderful. The house is so nice. It's glitter time. Golden glitter. Red glitter. Wow. Blue glitter. house is shiny. Window, door, and the stems. Black glitter. Orange glitter. White glitter. Wonderful. Green glitter. So kids, house is ready and it is looking so wonderful. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.